In today's video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Evernote. Evernote is a note-taking software that helps you to create and organize your digital notes, and you can also sync them across multiple devices. So if you also want to get signed up and create an account of Evernote, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Search for evernote.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to its website. Now you can also choose to download Evernote for your desktop. But before that, make sure that you create an account. Click on the sign up for free button. And there are 3 plans that you can choose. Evernote has a free and also paid plans. So you can take a look at all of these details and the features that they provide. Click on the one that you want. For now, I'm going to click on the free version. Click on get started. Now either you can sign up using your Google account or your email address. If you choose to sign up using your Google account, you can just click on this option and choose your Google account and you'll be immediately signed up. For now, I'm going to use my email and in the second box, type in the password. Once you type in both of these information, click on continue. And there you go. As easy as that, you have been now successfully signed up for Evernote. Now you can choose to download Evernote for your desktop as well, or you can also use the mobile app. So that's the process of signing up for Evernote. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.